For centuries, open water has been the ultimate roadblock to human connection. Linking two booming coastal economies usually meant relying on slow ferries or multi-hour detours. This map shows exactly that challenge at the mouth of the Pearl River Delta. A massive body of water completely separates three distinct regions: Hong Kong, Macau, and the mainland city of Zhuhai. On the eastern edge, Hong Kong operates as a global financial powerhouse. Its extreme urban density is packed right against the waterfront, making a direct physical connection to the mainland a major economic priority. Directly across the bay, Macau sits in a similarly isolated coastal position, separated from its neighbors by dozens of miles of unpredictable ocean. Overcoming this geographic divide required an infrastructure project of massive scale and a multi-billion-dollar commitment. China's answer is the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. It spans 55 kilometers, curving through the open sea to link the three regions for the first time. Constructing at this scale over open ocean cost $18.8 billion, a direct reflection of the project's extreme engineering difficulty. Much of the project involved standard overwater bridge construction, using heavy lift cranes to sink massive concrete pillars into the seabed. However, a continuous, elevated span would have completely blocked the vital shipping lanes that feed the delta's ports. To solve this, engineers designed a section that leaves the surface entirely, moving the highway from the sky into the seafloor. The central problem was one of physics. The multi-lane highway had to transition from an elevated bridge to a deep-sea tunnel without interrupting the flow of traffic. This required building two massive artificial islands from scratch in the middle of the bay. Each island serves as a dedicated transition ramp. The roadway enters the teardrop-shaped structure, grades downward, and plunges directly into the submerged opening. Engineers sink dozens of giant steel cylinders into the seabed to create a stable landmass capable of supporting the highway's weight against intense ocean currents. These anchor points are why the road can safely dive beneath the ocean surface. Between those two islands lies a 7-kilometer underwater tunnel serving as the bridge's hidden core. Passenger cars and cargo trucks drive off the bridge and transition seamlessly into an illuminated tunnel resting on the ocean floor. To withstand the crushing weight of millions of gallons of ocean water, 33 individual concrete sections, each weighing 80,000 tons, were lowered into a seabed trench, locking into the artificial islands to create a watertight seal. This completed, uninterrupted tube finally established a fixed physical link between the three separate coastlines. Combining a traditional bridge with this undersea bypass created the world's most complex sea crossing system. From above, the 55-kilometer system, the bridge, islands, and tunnel, operates as one unified superstructure. The result is a drastic reduction in travel time. A treacherous ocean crossing that once took hours is now a mundane 45-minute drive. While the engineering required was incredibly complex, the experience for drivers is seamless, allowing thousands of vehicles to cross the delta every day. The $18.8 billion investment effectively conquered the geographical separation of the Pearl River Delta. Completion of the project serves as a permanent monument to modern technological capability and national ambition. It remains the world's longest sea bridge system, spanning a distance that was once considered an impossible obstacle. This project proves that with enough engineering ingenuity, even the vast ocean can be integrated into our transit networks. The Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge is an engineering wonder of the world.